Hey YouTube, welcome back to Workhouse Customs. Today's video, we're going to be refurbishing our old hard saddlebags. I've already stripped the old ones down and put a coat of paint on them. We went ahead and got this rebuild kit here from Amazon. It came with everything. We went with the black outside latches. It's got the new rubbers, hinges, latches. It even came with some new locks and keys. And I went ahead and ordered this separately on Amazon. This is some weather stripping for around the inside. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. We got the bags off the 04 Road King. Got a bit of Bondo on them. Getting ready to prime them all up. We got a little bit of body filler in them. Got them all primed up. We're going to scuff them up now and put our first coat of paint on. Alright. We got our first coat of paint on everything. They're all good to go now. Let's go ahead and get some new hardware on these things. Alright, now we have the latch and hinge attached to the lid. We're going to go ahead and install the lock and this nice cover here. Alright, we have the front cover here on. We installed the lock. Now we just need to put the 4 bolts, line them up with the holes on the bag. I went ahead and put some washers behind mine because there was not another threaded bar for that. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next. Alright guys, that's looking pretty sharp to me, I think. Latch is real tight. I even checked the lock here. Just got to push in on the old barrel key, pull it back out. I like that. It's looking good so far. Next step, we got to put the weather stripping on the inside of the lids there. Alright guys, there it is. There's one all together. It's pretty much the same process. I'm not going to bore y'all with on the second one, but that's it, other than some of these bushings here and these ones here for the bottom, which these bags didn't have, which these are kind of important. They're kind of like a spacer as well. They go up underneath the bag. See, this one didn't have them. I can show you real quick where it actually melted on the exhaust through here, because these kind of hold the bags in place from underneath and give it a right amount of space to keep it up off the exhaust. But you can see right through here it got pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'll get right back with you guys, show you guys the finished product. All right, everybody, just my luck. I get finished doing something and then we start getting some rain. But anyway, I think the new overhaul on the old bags is pretty damn good. Cheap DIY alternative anyway. Yeah, sure, I could have afforded to get new bags, but why? I actually enjoy doing this kind of stuff. They look pretty good to me. Hey, if you guys haven't already, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, share it out. It all helps me out a lot, guys. Well, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.